In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade futures on BloFin. Now to do this, first of course you want to sign into your account and then you want to go to your dashboard and everything regarding futures can be found up here. Now this is not financial advice, I'm just going to show you how to actually perform these steps, and this video is for informational and educational purposes only, okay? Again, I'm not a financial advisor, this is risky, make sure you do your own research prior to trading. So here I'm going to use my demo account to do this, but it's the same if you use your real account. So if you go to futures and click on this first button over here, you'll see that this is going to open over here. But if I were to go to my demo trading account here, you'll see the same page is going to open just like that. Now from here, trade the futures, it's actually quite simple. You want to go to the top left. First, you want to select futures and you want to select what you want to trade. I'm going to go with Bitcoin USD, which is the first one that opens up. And then from here, you have two options. You could trade over here on the chart, so just type in the amount and then either go and buy or sell depending on what you want to achieve, or you could go to the right here, click on the trade tab, and you have a few options. You'll have by default the limit, market, and a trigger order, but the trigger order can be set to something else as well, like scaled, trailing stop, TWAP, or TPSL, which is take profit and stop loss, okay? So we're gonna go with a market order for now, but of course if you pick any other one, you can also do it that way. Here you're gonna type in the amount. I'm just going to type in 0.001, and you can then also go ahead and type in of course the take profit and stop loss, and you could set reduce only if you wanna, and then you can go and hit the buy or sell button whenever you are ready. So I'll just demo buy over here, confirm, and there we go. As you can see right now, I don't have sufficient margin in my demo account. That's why I basically can't trade, but if I did, I'd be able to process this order, okay? By the way, if you're on demo trading, you can just go to assets up here, click on futures, and then inside your demo account, you can just go and adjust these funds over here, and you can just type in the number that you want, for example, 100K, confirm, and it's going to give you that amount of demo funds, okay? So if I now were to go back to my chart over here, and if I try to place the same trade we had on earlier, like this, demo buy, you'll see it's going to go through perfectly just like that, okay? So that's how to trade the futures on BloFin. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.